Welcome to Japanese Classroom. This lesson is about changing a sentence ending in des into a negative sentence. That is something like saying A is not B or I am not a student. I am a student in Japanese is 私は学生です. In order to say I am not a student, you need to add じゃない in front of this and say 私は学生じゃないです。Tom is well is トムさんは元気です。In order to say Tom is not well, you just add じゃない before this and then the whole sentence becomes トムさんは元気じゃないです。Adding じゃない in front of this works when the word before this is a noun or a na adjective. If the original sentence is これは刺身です. This is sashimi. Then, because the word sashimi is a noun, you can say これは刺身じゃないです. And that means this is not sashimi. This pattern is not limited to A is not B type of sentence. You can use this to any sentence ending in des. If the original sentence is 私は髪が黒です. I have black hair. Then, because the word 黒 is again a noun, you can add じゃない and say 私は髪が黒じゃないです. And it now means I don't have black hair. In case of a sentence, 私は寿司が好きです. I like sushi. The word 好き is a na adjective. So again, you can add じゃない in front of this to make it mean I don't like sushi. The only time adding じゃない doesn't work is when the word before this is an I adjective. A slightly different rule applies when the word before this is an I adjective. I am quiet is 私はおとなしいです in Japanese. But the word quiet, おとなしい is an I adjective. With this sentence, you cannot add じゃない to make it into negative. Instead, you have to change the ending of the word itself. That is, the last I of おとなしい is changed to くない. And you can say 私はおとなしくないです for I am not quiet. I adjectives are called I adjectives because they all end in I. So all negative I adjectives end in くない. However, while all I adjectives ends in I, not all adjectives ending I are I adjectives. Unfortunately, there are a few na adjectives that end in I, but there aren't too many of them. Also, if you learn how to write words in kanji, it becomes easier to distinguish these I ending na adjectives from I adjectives. Because most of these na adjectives are written fully in kanji without any hiragana, except for the word kirai, which means I don't like. Okay, let's recap today's lesson. If the word before this is a noun or a na adjective, add じゃない before this. So これは刺身です becomes これは刺身じゃないです. If the word before this is an I adjective, change I to くない. So 私はおとなしいです becomes 私はおとなしくないです. If you want to know only the basic, you can stop the video here. Okay, from here, this is a bit more advanced content. これは刺身です means this is sashimi, and sashimi is a noun, so if you want to say this is not sashimi, you can say これは刺身じゃないです。However, じゃない is a bit casual way of saying ではない。So if you want to sound a little bit more official, you can say これは刺身ではないです。Also, ないです is a bit casual way of saying ありません。So, the same thing can be said as これは刺身じゃありません。And if you want to be even more formal, you can say これは刺身ではありません。Among these, the top ones is the most casual way of saying it, and the bottom one is the most formal one. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. I have an online beginner's course set up at www.easyjapanese.com. Please visit the website. また今度! See you next time!